Hello friends, in this video let's talk about how to configure or set up a Databricks free edition or Databricks community edition for Databricks learners. This free account really helps beginners to practice PySpark, Python or SQL queries. It's really a good opportunity from Databricks to practice the learning scenarios. Let me show you how to configure this Databricks free edition. Earlier, we used to call it is a community edition, but nowadays it became free edition. So let's go to the Google and search for Databricks community edition or free edition. Anything is fine. It redirects to a same page. So search, once you type the Databricks free edition, you get this free edition. Let's click on it. So here, this is a official Databricks website where you have a free edition and click on sign up for free edition. And obviously, yes, there are some limitations with free edition. Since we don't have an option for practice, better to use a free edition. And there is a different version where you can pay and practice or learn. So that's a different story. We talk that separately. So here, when you have what is a prerequisite to create a Databricks free edition is you should have an email ID. Okay, so you can use a Google email ID, Gmail or Microsoft email IDs. So here I'm going to use Gmail. Okay, so I typed my Gmail ID. Okay, let's continue with email. It sent a verification code, so I need to check for the verification code. And once verification code is received, you need to enter that. It is verifying now. Once it is ready, it asks for some more details. So where exactly you are located? So I am in India. Okay, let's select the India and continue. Okay, here what is the purpose? Okay, tell us about yourself. Here there are options. So learn data and AI, start building with my own data, see what Databricks can do, and other. So anything is fine for now. Okay, so let's click on learn data and AI, and here what topics you're most interested in. So I'm mainly data engineering, even data analytics. Okay, and some development. Okay, at least three I can select up to. Even if you select one, also you can move on. Yes, it is setting up the account for me. It might take a while in your case, but again, you can see the progress here. Once it is ready, it shows couple of options actually for us. So here, this is the first look and feel of your workspace. It is just created for us. It is just created a free edition for us. So in the left side, you have a couple of options we see here. In the right side, in the right corner, you have a icon with M, and when you hover it, it shows the email ID, and there is a apps, multiple apps you have, and this is a workspace. So here in the left side, you have multiple options here. Okay, home, workspace, recents, catalog, and so on like this. Okay, so here we will be exploring one by one option slowly. That's all for now. Let's meet in the next video.